Unveiling the meaning, have a good arm, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, have a good arm. This expression is commonly used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really enrich your English skills. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Have a good arm is an idiomatic expression in English. It originates from the world of sports, particularly baseball and American football, where having a strong and accurate throwing arm is crucial. When someone says they have a good arm, it means they are skilled at throwing something accurately and with strength. While it started in sports, this phrase has found its way into everyday language. When used metaphorically, it can describe someone who's good at launching or initiating things. For example, if someone is adept at starting new projects or ideas effectively, you might say they have a good arm in business or creativity. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In sports, wow, that quarterback really has a good arm. His passes are always on target. 2. In business, she really has a good arm for starting successful startups. 3. In general use, he has a good arm when it comes to organizing events. They're always well executed. It's important not to confuse have a good arm with physical strength alone. It's more about the skill and precision in throwing or launching something, not just the physical power. Also, remember that it's often used metaphorically in various contexts. And that's a wrap on have a good arm. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions can add flavor to your language skills. Stay tuned for more interesting English lessons, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning!